Hey guys, it's Jeff at Opus IVS. We're in Huntington Beach, California. And you know what that means. This is where we do all of our ADAS testing. So why don't you guys follow me over to the office and let's go check it out. All right, everyone, let's take a look at these mats. Remember, they are 100% OE congruent. They are made of a vinyl type material, so if they get wrinkled up or maybe they won't lay flat next to the vehicle, put them out in the parking lot for 3 to 5 minutes and I promise you they'll iron right out to do that calibration. They are made with a low reflective ink, so bright lights inside the shop or maybe a little bit of sunlight from outside is not going to affect how the vehicle sees the image of these mats when they're laid next to the car. Over here on your guys' right-hand side, we do have Mitsubishi 360. Next, we have GM 360 along with the measurement card, Volkswagen, Audi, late model Porsche, Kia, Hyundai, Genesis with the measurement card, Toyota and Lexus over here. And to your guys' left-hand side, we do have Honda, Acura, and Mazda as well. We took into consideration, we know you guys don't have a lot of real estate in the shop. So all these mats, they're gonna come in these tubes so you guys can keep them nice and neat and organized. This one's going to be for Volkswagen, Audi, late model Porsche, and another example is going to be Honda, Acura, and Mazda. All right, everyone, there you go. Simple Toyota 360 calibration using the Opus IVS 360 mats. Again, super simple. We just went into all data, found the procedure, followed the directions on all data, and we did not even need to call Opus to get this car done. So thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.